Brown's Films, we offer more than just movies. We offer professional photo and video services. In case your family members or friends are unable to attend your event, we can live stream it just for you.
Mommy,
Where you go?
Mommy tell us something that go work.
You never tell me that last night, so you have to work today. You didn't tell me that.
Remember, me tell us say me go to school in the morning and then in the evening me will go work.
You sure you tell me that last night?
Yes, Mommy.
I don't remember. I don't recall you tell me that.
Mommy, just remember good no Mommy, you sit down on the bed. I'm coming there, I'm tell you.
All right, you know, so before you go, you have to wait before you go. Come in like how you're skinny. Go up on the scale, man. Just listen to what I say. Go up on the scale and weigh yourself, man. Go up on the scale. And when me talk to you, straighten out your face, man. I don't want to see no front on your face. You understand me? You have have manners. Me don't like how you're skinny. You look how you're maga. You look at them like a maga banana.
But me cannot help nothing about that. Me I eat
Well,
food.
yeah, eat food, but what's the matter? Why you not put on no weight? Why?
Me can't help that.
You know, see, the maga people now in our family. Look how your mommy fat and look good. Huh? No, man, me not like that. How much you weigh?
130.
130 every day, every week, every month. 130, 130.
Oh, Mommy, you feed me, I know me not.
I know I feed you, but me can't. What? Something wrong with you? Come off of the scale. Come off. Listen, what time you leave work?
The place are like, the Chinese them are like 8 o'clock.
All right, by 8:15 the latest, you for the right so.
Mommy going
Me give you 5 minutes. Little bit 5 minutes over. I'm matter of fact, me not even again a time over. You know why? I just don't so your work. So it's supposed to reach by 8. Listen, just go on before me get upset. Go on. By 8:20 the right so you hear me? You know, come now with no belly, you know? You know, come on no belly like Miss Jane daughter down the so. You understand me? All right, me don't talk.
Mommy, Daddy did beg me collect something from Grandma Kakongi. So I just make you know.
And about that too, Mommy. We've been asking about Grandma the last time I tell you, say you got to tell me. Why you not tell me about
Every
her?
time you ask me about my mother, what? You in my head too long. You in nobody, no, them in my head stay. Come here for me. Why you ask me about my mother for? Me no want to talk about her. Jew water killer, no ask me about her. How? Why you want to know about her?
Why would you want to know like she dead? Eh?
Yeah, me just say. Jew water killer. Me no want nobody ask about no mother. The way my mother used to do me no want, me no, look here, you know my daughter, you know, me know. But if me explain and tell you about that the woman there, you know that tell me to stop, you know nobody want me go no further, you know, I hear about her, she wicked.
So better you tell her than have we ask you every time.
Do you have anything else to ask about her again? Different from what you just asked me, say?
Tell her where we live so we can ask. Tell her where she lives so we can ask her what we want to know.
I don't just know if mash up for my mood. Not true. For my mood, not feel alright and relax. What you want to know about my mother?
Mommy, because it look away, so we don't know her and she not dead. Oh, it would have looked for we see her, walk past her.
Oh, you never hear me say? Juwata killer.
Mommy, oh, it would have looked for we see her, walk past her and know so we are not related.
You know Patsy?
Yes.
I know your grandmother?
I know her.
Your father, ma. You know her. Don't you know me? Also, you have me too. You know have me. You know have no poopa. I don't have Patsy. You know next grandmother. I was so important for no one know for my mother. She not important to me. So why she go important to you?
Mommy, for the facts you keep on with all information, make me even more curious. And then one grandmother will have a two. Why we not go and know her?
Who tell you say you have two grandmother?
Oh, you born.
I know everybody have two grandmothers. Some people grandmother dead. Some of them then two grandmother they didn't have none. So thank God say you have Patsy.
Mommy, I don't understand why you're so bitter. Because all of them something the way you talk about happened years ago.
Years ago. You know years ago what happened to me in a real life. You know the destruction of problem when me go through, the wickedness of evilness me go through in a real life. Eh? You know when me go through? Be a bad sitting. And she never used to treat me good. So right now, I'm not even business which part she there, even if she there somewhere.
That's all I tell you. She never used to treat me good and I be a destruction. That's all. Alright, Mommy, I'm not gonna fight it over here, mother. Right? You still want me there here?
Call me if you like, call me. You really the one left me head. So one side come and one side no come. True me they talk to you. How to ask about grandmother every minute. Me tired. Tired of it, man.
Mommy,
Yes,
come here, please.
I'm coming.
Okay.
I'm coming. Oh, you make sure come in here early. You follow rules. What's up? So come in now.
No, come out here, son. I want to talk to you about something.
What happened? How him? Harm? I say name Harm. He not no name.
Wait, calm down now, mommy. Alright, so this is Bob, my boyfriend.
Oh, me switch part this ago, you know. Me soon deal with you. Young man, she not tell us I'm a mad woman. She not tell us I'm a mad. My pitney can't date anybody now because all of my working me spend for she without a father. The minute me tell him Papa say, ain't gone. And me want raise him. A matter of fact, where you come from? Run so which part?
Calm down now.
Your time a come. Your time is coming because you know say me not easy. You know say your mother head not easy, you know. Where you come from?
Later, me talk to you. You can't. Later.
Listen.
Me will call you.
Don't make me see your back on here, you know.
Mommy, put up.
Don't make me see your back round here. You hear me tell you? Remember what me tell you, sir. Write it down in your brain. No, me search part I go. Oh, so you turn woman on your feet and now
Mommy,
you
why
can't.
you go with knife, mommy?
You know me stay already. You don't need no glasses to know how your mama turn. You know how me stay. You don't realize about the money what me spend pay. You know see my bank book drain out to nothing. Eh?
Mommy, me at 20 now, you know. Me is not 14 or 15
It
again.
doesn't matter.
Mommy,
If you look smart, you good upon the boy not even dressed right.
so you're going to judge the book by the cover. Mommy, you're not
Me
even
not
know
judge
him.
but the minute all you saw him just go ahead, tan.
What you mean?
Look at them dirty map.
You choose,
No.
mommy.
You mean say, what me do for you? And this you do to me?
Mommy, why are you gaslighting me right now?
All the money what me spend by you, Jesus Christ, you're an ungrateful pitney. You're ungrateful like your father said to people there, but you're not good.
Why are you moving so, me don't even know if I sit here right now, mommy. Me tired
Because
of
you're
it.
not good.
What you mean me not good? Mommy, all my
Me
life.
want you look smart good. You're a surgeon.
Mommy,
Find a doctor man and marry to.
God almighty.
I look a chicken football for down the lane. He can't even tell which part he come from. My God, me can't believe this.
Mommy, all my life here, you're not listening to what you say. One time you make one decision. What you want from me, mommy? Look how she
All
gonna
the
be
money
here.
me spend for you, me could have better in a life. Me could have finished paying for my house. I'm true, you want to see you come out to something good, and you did. But upon the boy you bring come in front of me door. After me work so hard, me can't believe it. My heart a beat.
Mommy, you know it's alright. It's alright. Me gonna pack my stuff and me
My
gonna
eye,
leave.
my
Me
blood
can't
pressure
take
gone
this.
up, my diabetical gone up, everything
It's
gone up.
alright, you know, mommy. It's alright.
I made the name, but I know where
Me
you
so
are.
glad me did pop
And I
from
know
last
something
night, you know, because me didn't know sir this will go
I
up.
can't believe it.
Mommy, me cannot.
Me can't believe it, oh
Me
God.
cannot take this, mommy. Me
You realize
cannot.
that you're the only pity me have? And then this year, Dr. Miss Candy. Oh God in heaven, me can't believe it. Me one pitney, me can't believe it.
Mama, why me feel up on the scale every day?
Zay, me come from big breed. And me no want to no get big and in shaped.
Mama, from me at 18, me not pass 130. Me not feel like it necessary for we still go up on the scale every morning.
Me notice from other days say I eat a lot. And me no want you catch a 200 or 180. If you get too big, your clothes then can't go fit it. You're not going to look good in it. Oh. Come here, come here.
Yeah.
Where you think you go? You, come on 5 scale. Go and go stand up right there, so. Where they go?
I go up on the road.
Up on which road? You don't know if you can weigh yourself.
Weigh myself.
Put yourself on that. Put down the bag. Put yourself on the scale.
Me not go up on a scale no.
What me say for you? Lexi, put down the bag.
Me not going for no scale.
Give me the bag. Go on the scale. And make me get up. Go on the scale. Boy, you don't want to go up on scale. And where you want to? Get big and fat? Eh? Where you want to? Get out of shape? Stand up on the scale properly. Let me see how much. How much you weigh? See the same thing? See there? 2 pounds gone on your body. Because me notice you know one way every time you eat up this heap of ice cream and chocolate and one heap of sitting. If you can't get out of shape on me. You know sister? For my family them big so. Me no want to no big like that.
So
Stay in a shape, not out of shape.
what wrong if you big?
No, you no need to get big.
Me no see sense of this now.
What you mean you no see sense of this? 2 pounds gone pan 140. So 142 your way. Watch your weight. You need to take off at the 2 pounds. Where is you going now?
Me go up at the dressmaker go take in some clothes.
You go take in some clothes.
Yeah.
Watch your weight. You hear what I say? You need to watch your weight. You know how much people were fat, damaged in a real life, and then feel uncomfortable. Then wish them when they here today. Then gone. Because some overeat. All of them belly full, they don't know. Obese. And get sick. If you stay one place and can't move. Me sure say you don't want that to happen to you. Go on to your dressmaker.
Zay. Me know we talk about this already, but it been a bother me.
What about you?
Why mommy stay so?
What do you mean?
Me know we talk about it over and over again, but there has to be a reason or a backstory or something for me stay so.
Like, see? Like I say, we talk about this already and with the work.
But it a bother me. I want to talk to you about it.
What is there to do?
Me curious. Me need to find out something. There must be something behind mommy being controlling and...
Yeah, but we try to talk to her and nothing, so what is there
So
to
what
do?
if we don't talk to her and find out for ourselves?
What do you mean?
Like, no. Find out who grandmother be.
Who will give you that information then?
Could I ask daddy?
Lexi, leave it alone. The only thing this I gotta do is stir up things and piss off mommy. You don't know for chill.
But why she not tell me about grandmother?
Why it matters so much to
Me
you?
curious.
Why? Mommy and daddy not enough for we.
But me want to know my grandmother. You don't want to know your grandmother?
Yeah, Lexi, me get all of that, but you also have to understand. You're complaining about mommy being controlling, right? Be grateful, say she not manipulative and she not treat you bad and we get what we want. She still a provide for we and we are 23 and 21, right? She
Yeah.
not run we and she not treat you bad. Leave it alone.
Alright, okay.
You good?
Yeah, I'm alright. Hi.
Hello.
How can I assist you?
Like I say, we talk about this
Well,
already and
ma'am,
we
I
don't
want
work.
store
But
to
it-
buy some clothes, but it look like I want a female store. This
Yes, this is a female store.
may look nice though.
Mm-hmm.
Well, may I look for place so me can buy like one suit of clothes. Me wonder which one me could have go.
You could go downstairs, that Conrad store.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you for your help, though. What's your name?
Lexi,
Next is nice to meet you.
nice to meet you too.
But has anybody ever told you that you have very beautiful eyes?
No.
Well, you look really nice enough.
Thank
You have
you.
a boyfriend?
No.
Well, let me grab your number. Though.
Sure.
So where are you from?
Petersfield.
Okay. All right then. Make call.
Okay. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
Tell me something. Where's the study?
Should I, Daddy, me did want to ask you. You know, my grandmother, that a mommy mother,
Me say me never meet her yet. Never meet her yet, but me know where she live.
cause every time me and Zaya try talk to me and ask her about grandmother, she a pass here off and I say she no want to talk about it, she no want to talk about it. And me and Zaya very curious, we want to know grandmother. Cause mommy a behave so controlling and I would like to know why mommy stay so. In control everything we do, put we on scale, tell we say we him a watch weight, tell we say we can't eat this and we can't eat that, we can't go this and we can't. Very controlling. And I want to get to know our grandmother because mommy no want to tell we.
Why, daughter? You know, say that reason they make me your mother feel left. Cause anytime me and her do everything she want control me, she want tell me what to do, she want tell me where to go, she want tell me how to sleep. So them program thing there, isn't it?
Yeah, I understand. So, you alright? Long time I not see you. Everything good?
Yeah, right, man.
Alright.
But if you're really interested to know your grandmother, you can direct you which part she there.
Yeah, mother love that.
You know out of Esha, right on the front of the red bar there.
Yeah.
The right eye lane mouth, this a fear, yeah. This she named Mama Child.
Alright. Thanks,
I
eh?
asked Mama Child you from.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, man. Take care, yeah.
Yeah, you too. Me find out where grandma live. Me find out where grandma live, me go talk to daddy. And daddy tell me where grandma live. So, meet up and we go look for her.
Meet up where, Lexi? Why you never listen to mommy and just leave it?
Mommy not have to know me. You can meet up and we go look for grandma. We need to find out why mommy stay so.
You sure it's your ear?
Yes, so daddy say. Hello,
Who is it?
Mama Joy.
Yeah, who calling?
Give
What?
me a minute, please.
Me not open me door unless me know who you know.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hold on 1 second. Let me because the AC on and I don't want the bill go up. So I pull the door. So what can I do for you ladies?
Hi, we're Candy's daughter.
Candy, my daughter Candy?
Yeah.
So, Candy daughters. I never knew, oh God, don't give me a hug. I never knew I would dream to meet my grandpitney them. Me feel so me go dead without being a grandmother, so I'm going to be grandmotherless. But it's so nice to meet you girls. You don't want to come in?
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay. So how Candy doing?
She's
okay.
fine. Yeah.
She fine? Mr. Candy boy, may I tell you, our mother is something else. Our mother is I love her. It's my daughter. It's my only child. I love her dearly, but she just a pain in the backside. She live here over 18, 20 years and I don't see her again. I don't know what she look like. I don't know if she pink, she blue, she green, she orange. I don't know. I don't see her.
Well, that is really what we wanted to talk about.
Well, me and she always a bumphead. Just due to the fact that she said that I'm very controlling. I wasn't controlling. You see this lane right here? There is good and there is bad. This lane right here. And I try to avoid her from getting involved into things. You understand what I'm saying? So I try to hold on to her and manicure her and bring her up the right way. But she didn't want that. You see it? You see what happened? She's an accountant because guess what? Me have to push her. You see like how you push wood in a fire feet blaze? So me have to push him. You understand? So that's the problem with me and she. And she believes that I was so controlling. But it's for the right thing. So that's the problem. I want to see a little bit. Give me a turn. Give me a turn. No, man. Look how your clothes like it a drop off for you, man. I don't like that. You too. Ono mother not feed you, no?
Yeah, she feed the mommy say 1:30 is the perfect weight and when I really need to get.
Listen to me. No listen to no mother. Yeah. I see when she go, she tell me the same thing every morning before I go to school. Me making up on the scale and weigh himself. The same 1:30, 1:20 here.
Wait. You make mommy wait every morning?
Yeah.
That is exactly what she had do to we. Like,
Yeah, because I want to see the weight. Look. This is natural enough. This not fake. And I buy it. You understand? So the next thing could fit. No, sound a little bit. Me not like only a little bit. Only too mager.
So I guess you mommy get away in some of the problem.
Yes, because she never want he. She want to watch her figure. She don't want to be too fat and then people are gonna believe. You see that lady? One knows the woman live round and she in everybody business. So she mager and she look like she not feed. That woman they would have spread it all over. So that's why me don't pan her all the time and I push her. For he because I cook good food, you know. Me cook good food and gear. So that's the problem.
So grandma. You can call her grandma, right?
Yes, of course. I'm glad for me to know. Can't call me granny. Them me no granny.
So you really never know so mommy have no kids?
Me say from Candy left here. Candy left here. 18 to 20 years. Me no see him again. Me nothing dead. Me nothing living. Me nothing gonna far in. Me no know. No know nothing about him.
Well, really and truly, we always want to meet you. And growing up, mommy never talk about you. She never yet said nothing about you. We always ask about her mother. She said we never ask her nothing. So we asked her father and until we say, alright, so you live. So we decided we're going to come from our own so we could meet you.
Wait, me asking you a question. You say father. Ababa on the father?
Oh, no.
Oh, because the boy they workless. At the same time, me and she bump it because she bring the boy come over here and introduce me and she know how me stay. She shouldn't bring the boy come here. She know how me tan. So me shoot him. Yeah, me shoot him. Shoot him with a pan of water. And tell him go yard and as long as he not come me and she know how me. No come near me yard, no come nowhere which part me live because it's not right for my daughter. So thank God I know no papa. I know no papa?
No.
Okay, good. What do you want now? Nice meeting you guys and only free for come anytime when you want to come check me. Anytime.
Okay.
Yeah, anytime. Only know which part me live now. Come anytime when you want to come.
No
When you can come spend weekend if you want. Me have 2 more bedroom at the back there when you can come.
Well, me not work too far from here, so maybe we can stop by
Come.
sometime.
Come.
Okay, well,
It's not a problem.
nice to meet you.
It's nice meeting you, man. My grandchildren, Lord God, me live to see grandpa. Me now go grandmotherless. All right, God bless you now. Listen, I mean, the man comes back and go to picnic before time, you know.
No.
Wait, hold it. The best gift to give a husband on a virginity.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
All right, take care of yourself.
Okay, Grandma.
All
Bye.
right, bye.
So you see, it was a good idea to come down here, because now we completely understand why mommy stay so.
It's so crazy because me always I wonder why the weighing thing, where that come from.
Like, I
You
guess,
think grandma used to treat mommy bad?
well, she said she never controlling, and mommy controlling. Mommy
Very
aware with on
well,
scale. So everything what she had do now what she used to do when she younger.
so I guess mommy suffer from some kind of trauma and she passed it on to me and mommy barely even realize.
And it's
But
not good.
at the end of the day, she's not a bad mother and she just want to be so with Lexi. So, but grandma, what do you think about her?
She seems so nice, but then mommy no want to talk about her, so how we fit know how she stay?
You think we should try to talk to mommy again?
Yeah, we need
Lexi
to
me tell
know.
her say we're dead when mommy find out, so we're going
But we need to know. Even mommy.
Evelyn. Where do you come from? Zay, are you me attack you and Lexi? Where you coming from?
Then our grandmother.
Which grandmother? Who send you no a grandmother? I don't have to you go.
No?
Zay and Lexi, where are you coming from?
Where I come from?
I check me. Me say where you come from. Don't know which grandmother. Who send you no a grandmother? Oh, no must go down a Patsy. She alright?
And our grandma party we go.
Yeah, talk about. Then which other grandmother?
Mama Jai.
Mama who?
Mama Jai.
You know mad. Which mama which die?
Your mother?
My mother?
Yeah.
I lie you tell. I plan the two and no plan up. How comes you don't know that the grandmother there? You must say mad. I chicken or trick me.
Would I talk to daddy? And
Yeah.
I tell daddy say only one grandmother we know and you will never talk about your mother. So we didn't want to know our next grandmother. So we asked daddy and daddy tell we say I done this so she leave.
Hello, Zay. You over there so shut up for your mouth like you can't say nothing. Excuse you. Who dare you if you go find that the woman they were near Mama Jai? Eh? Me tell us, me tell it to our son grandmother. And who go no consent? If you go find grandmother. How you catch down a Jai?
Mommy, I asked you who give a consent. We're 21 and 23. We don't need consent for going away.
And me I no live still. Me I still no mother. I could have even 50 or 60. I don't care. So true, we are 23 and she are 21. You must just go in and come out and go in and come out, go in and come out as you feel like. You find no one a roof then. And I saw you go here so.
Mommy, we've been and asked you about grandma. Every time we ask you, shut we down.
You know that the woman they wicked.
She not seems
Eh?
wicked to we. Yeah.
You know how she wicked. And she at the car site make me feel like her yard, you know. She's a very wicked woman, but she and my mother. Me don't know who are you, but father. So I want to poop and I want to go ask about your grandmother. You see, it one me don't trust you.
Mommy, as far as you me, as far as we know, grandma don't do nothing. You decide to you want to be big woman and leave.
I wonder where she pack up in her phone or head. Make you come and tell me that. Eh? You not even did exist yet. One, two, no. You know what? Me a big woman, you know. Me a big woman. Me not justify myself to Uno. She's a wicked woman. Let me tell you that.
No man, me not see right. But shit, my glasses need to be changed. Me forgot go to the eye doctor. I really you?
What going?
Yeah, me
What
good.
going, alright?
Yeah, me alright, but it's just that me want to know why so much years, 18 to 20 years, can this me not see you? And you know some you the only pity me have, me can treat me so bad. Huh? Why you treat me so bad? You saw you turn out good because me never want you to join up with them the little jigger foot down the lane. Cause them a trouble. And look how you come out good. All because me dey under you and I push you like when you push hood in a fire. And you listen.
No, listen to me now, my mother.
What's the problem?
You see when they do to me, me never like it. Me did feel uncomfortable. I was so uncomfortable till me can't take it no more. And me talk to you about it over and over, and you make me feel uncomfortable. You just, everything you just dip on me. You want me go up on scale. You want me go up on scale, go way. You dey talk about anybody where you see me talk to, everything when me do.
Candy, you're
It's
the
like
too maga. You was skin and bone. You look like anorexia. Skin and bone. Before your mother ties them. Eh? You say nobody in my family they look like you. Look dry out. No. Me never like that. Me never like that at all. Because me I feed you. And me know say me feed you good. Me cook good food and give you. You never need enough nothing candy.
you always a control my life. Everything you control. Me can't tell you nothing. You always they control everything about me. Yes, me too maga, me no fi eat this, me no fi chat to that the man there. Me can't carry nobody come here. So what was the problem?
Because
Why you have to deal with me that kind of
never
way?
want you pick up anybody because your father wasn't no damn good. So I don't want your father in the same trap where me fall in. That's why I was like that, Candy. And then the way my mother raised me too.
Anyway, me understand what you say, I saw your mother stay, I saw your mother treat you, that's how you treat me so. But me not think that right. You when they control my life too much. And you know what, cut long story short, me not come for quarrel with you, cause that gone long time, years ago.
Me think me not got dead grandmotherless. Me not have no grandpitney. So me glad to see them. So what's the problem? They come and look for them granny. What's the problem? What is the problem, Candy?
Let me tell you something.
Come me not see the problem.
You see the way how you used to treat me. Me know say from you know them, you go tell them this and you go tell them that how they mag all kind of sitting up on scale and one heap of foolishness. So me no really did want them to come to your yard to go in at the same thing when they go through.
But Candy, the way all you talk to me, it seems like you controlling with the two beautiful girls too.
And my children them. Me
Exactly.
have to lead them in the right way, but you no, the way you do it, my mother, me not tell her no lie no. You're my mother, me respect you as a mother, I love you. But me, you see the way you control my life, me never used to like it. Who to tell, as you say, maybe I see him way. Who to tell if I know the same, it just coming like a one trend in the family. You say your mother used to do you that, no, you can't do me that, make me do my youth them that. It's not right.
But Candy, look how you come out good. You ever look upon a part, they turn your head and look upon a part, so you come out beautifully. Eh? Look how you come out nice. The girl them down the lane where they want hang out to the all of them have all 4 or 5 pitney. Nobody not turn up beside and the man then gone run left them. Eh? Boy, I don't understand. You know. When you do good, people think say bad you do. And when you do bad, then say you do good. So it's confusing too. It's very confusing. I don't know. So you're right otherwise?
Me alright, you know, me just want to know say you not tell me you them to do the same thing.
No, I didn't mention nothing to them. We were just talking about just life.
Me know me get bigger, you know, and get older, me understand life. But you know, say one of the time when they need younger, me almost tell them say you're dead. Because me never want them to know nothing about you, because you used to grieve me bad. Say you're dead, treat me bad.
And that's why you're running
because
and
me
not
never
come
want
back.
them to know nothing about you. I remember say me not come in no argument with you, you know, me forgive you. Me not hate you none, child. But me just
Me
never
not
used
eat
to
you
like
either, Candy. So let's bury the hatchet. Let's bury the hatchet. I'll move on from here. Move on. You understand? Because I love my beautiful grandchildren and they come move on. And I feel good, I feel proud of them. Them are the good. So let's bury the hatchet. And forget about the past. So you're still working at the hospital?
nah, do that they work there again.
So what you do now?
Me I do my own thing, you know.
Okay.
I like work for people.
Well, alright, as long as
I like work for myself. That means me I'm my own boss.
as long as it hop and running, ain't nothing wrong with that. And you get a food off it. I don't see nothing wrong.
I like work for myself.
So
That mean
don't
me
be
I'm
a
my own
stranger
boss.
now, As long as it hop and run, can come, so we have enough space. Come spend some time.
I don't tell no lie now. I don't really want to come back up your yard go and sleep. I forgive you, you know, and I don't have you. I go remember some things when I go through in a real life.
Bury it.
But
Bury it, Candy.
I forgive you. For real.
Bury it 3 foot 3.
But I don't want to come back up here go and sleep. But I don't think I want my daughter them two to come up here either. You know, if you go mix up with some people and something.
Well, you know, so as long as me alive, that can't happen.
Anyway,
That can't happen as long
glad
as me
to see
here.
you still, you know?
Yeah, glad to see you too.
Glad to see you. Come. Alright. Yeah, man. So, take care of yourself.
You too.
And
And don't be a stranger.
no, man.
Alright.
Later. Alright.
And it's nice
Take care
seeing
of
you.
yourself.
You too. And don't be a...
So, you ready? Alright. Yeah, me good, me good. Yeah.
Lexi, where you go?
Me I go out.
Which part? Go out here.
What you mean, mommy? Me I go out with somebody?
So me no can come with you?
No.
Why?
Why you want come?
You're my daughter. I don't know if me you go out. Why you always no want go out
Mommy.
with me?
Understand no, me I go out with somebody.
But me must can come with you, that I know nothing. You make it look like I want big thing to go to your
And
mother.
me and somebody I go out, mommy. If I did me alone, you could have come, but and me and somebody I go out.
Why when me ask you every time to go out with you? You and your sister, you don't want me come with you no? How?
Mommy, every time we say me we go out, you always say, me no have no money, and me no want to go this, and me no want to do this, and me no want to do that.
No, but Lexi, people are going road if they don't have no money. You go out there to go depend on somebody. Eh? Why you want we to go out and we don't have no money? Can't buy nothing.
Even when me know say I have the money, I will say, Mommy, maybe we'll get ice cream, or maybe we go out there, so you say, me no have no money, and me no want to go nowhere. So we not really invite you nowhere when we are going nowhere, because you don't seem interested to go
But
anywhere.
me feel like me want to come down with you.
Mommy, me I go out with somebody, you cannot come.
Alright. Alright. Okay.
Tell me now.
Now your sister. Your sister make me carry you down here.
But what that have to do with me? Why you pull me out of work for carry me down here because of Alexi?
Me need you to understand this. Me have to keep a track of you and your sister. Yes, but she dey go out with man.
Lexi gone out with man?
Of course.
Mommy, Joe. So you pull me out of work because of that?
Yes, me put tracking device in her phone.
So which part Lexi there?
Same place down here, so I true you don't see her yet.
Oh, Mommy, how you know say Lexi there down here?
Because me have a tracking device in her phone. Me put tracking device in her phone. So anywhere she go, anything she do, she name, eat, or whatever you want call it.
What you mean by
decent way eat.
Mommy, what you mean by you put one tracking device for Lexi?
Listen to me now. My daughter, you need to get this straight in your head. I look like you not understand what me I say from the beginning, you know. Me have to put tracking device for you and Lexi because me need to know what you dey and what you dey do. And anything at all you no eat. You understand? Me need to know.
Mommy, Lexi are how much?
Me need to know the type of man you dey talk to.
Mommy, Lexia how much?
21,
I mean how much?
23.
So what you mean? And I like we are trying disrespect you in enough farm and we do some things out of like we are them bad people. We not do nothing like that. The whole I would like to try control, you know. And the first time Lexia talk to somebody, the first time this office stop. Lexia big girl. Lexia big woman. I am an adult. Mommy, you can't try control. We said the whole of our life. The whole of our life.
I'm me in charge of no life. Yes.
You're not in charge of our life.
Yes, I'm responsible for no life. So anywhere you go, me don't track on no dog. Whether you like
Mommy,
it
not
or not.
disrespectful enough, but you act like one control freak and this have to stop.
Eh? What you say? You too? So me a controlling freak? I saw your sister tell me, you know, but me don't care. Yes, me is a controlling freak. At least, I'm a daughter life, me the control
But
fear and feel like.
Mommy, I mess up your life. You pull me out of work, now me have to go back to work and explain to them why me down here saying no.
So you never want me to? Hello. Me dey ask you if you take time, you know, come me call police for you. Listen to me. Listen to me. Me coming at your workplace. How me come for? Me daughter. I'm a stranger me come for. So what? What? Watch out. See them they come there. See it? Anyway, she dey me know. Are you?
I was thinking about getting some ice cream, but I was.
What mommy are doing? Jesus Christ.
Who that?
My mother.
Your mother? Okay. Well, are you invited her to come?
Me not invite her nowhere.
And then this, me tell you.
Mommy, what you doing here? What are you doing here?
What you are do down here, so?
Me never tell us.
You is the cause why me reach right here. So with your sister. And who is this gentleman?
My boyfriend.
Your boyfriend.
Ah, mommy, how you know she me there?
What you mean?
How you know she me
Anywhere
there?
you there in the world, me know. Me have tracking device in your phone.
In my phone.
In your phone.
Zay, talk to mommy now.
Talk to which mommy? It's in a fair phone too.
Will you put tracking device in my phone
You
for?
know everywhere you go and everything you do. Me is your mother, me need to know everything about you. What is your problem? You have a problem with that? Call the police. Make them lock me up. Then I'm going to lock me up, you're my daughter. I'm responsible for you. All when you're 21-year-old. Me need to know what you eat, where you sleep, anywhere you go and the type of man you talk to.
Me tell you, say he's a control freak, you know. You're there, you know. What happened? What is wrong?
What is wrong?
What is wrong?
Everything go wrong. Because as far as me concerned, you meet man and you never invite me. The next thing, you carry your man come in front of me. I tell me, I'm a boyfriend. You're not even introducing to me. Hello, sir. My name is Patience. I'm not as bad as how me look.
Nice to meet you,
I
mommy.
just try to protect my daughter then. Because too much things are going on in the world, sir.
I understand that.
And I don't live with no man. And me need to protect my daughter. You think me overprotective?
No, maybe a little
And let
bit.
me ask you a question because you look like you're in love with my daughter, you know.
Yes, man, I really
What do
care
you think
about her.
about
You
me?
know.
You think me doing something wrong by protecting my daughter and putting tracking device in them phone? Me think I love them. Me never know say something bad me dey do.
Well, to be honest, you know, that kind of go a little bit overboard, but I kind of understand still. No, man, maybe not so bad. If you have put tracking device in your daughter's phone, I must be a good reason.
So where are you from, sir?
Well, I'm originally from Ultra Rios.
And what is your name?
Jacob.
Oh, and my name is Patient, if you don't remember what I said before.
Yeah, man, I remember it.
Okay, nice meeting you.
Well, since you guys are here, you want something to drink?
I want to plan to buy because me no eat pian, you know, me no want to me that.
Well, order anything you want.
Me no want me that I eat no pian food, you know. Lobster, conch, and them something, the shrimp.
Mommy.
Yes.
No, man, it's okay, it's okay. No, anything you want,
Look
just
at
order
the
it.
nice gentleman. Him look like he can more than buy what I just said. Him can afford it.
Well, anything you want, just order it.
Yes.
Me and Lexi go talk a little bit.
Okay.
Alright.
Enjoy yourself.
Jacob, I can't believe you.
What?
Me can't believe you really pick up my mother?
Me not pick up for your mother. She's already here. It makes sense me just meet her and done. Cause me already asked her to meet her and say she's a monster. And she doesn't seem like a monster.
You know, some boy pretend my mother is a drama queen, an actress. So when you see her, you say put on her little show. And that's how she stay.
You sure?
You ask me if I'm sure enough for my mother?
Well, alright, come here. No must say, you know, she there already, you know. There's nothing we can do. Just let me meet her and done.
Alright, but me did warn you.
Come on.
Hello. Jacob, are you me come to?
Afternoon, Miss Candy.
Me no want no afternoon from you. You and me daughter nah go there no more. The relationship where you feel say you in with me daughter, nobody think about it. Me no want you fit there with me daughter.
So where did this come from?
What you mean where this come from?
Where have
You
you
think me not hear about you? Eh?
When me
You
do-
nobody? Eh? How people put you up over here so? You trick me daughter and tell me daughter how you have a big house and car and one heap of sit. Now how she licky and greedy. She come there with you and fall for little change, chum change. Eh? Chicken feeding where you have. Eh?
Where
You
you
think that
talk
you can't
about?
try me daughter go restaurant and beach and all about? How you feel like? Make sure say as long as you live, Jacob. Me no see me daughter. Me no hear say me daughter. And me no want see me gate.
But Miss
You
Candy,
think me couldn't find him? Me no want hear nothing from you. Shut your mouth, boy. You feel say me your size. I come there with me daughter. Like, how you feel like? You think that she at 21, she have no right to just come there with any man without my consent. Eh? Me have to find her. And anywhere she there, me go find her.
but Miss Candy, she a big woman. Where all of this come from? When me do her?
Track her down. Yes. Any man, even she left you and go there with her next crisis when me no like and we can't support her and help her in her real life. Eh? If she have a better future, me they run them the same way.
You know, say your daughter they want me. Lexi want me, you know. She tell me say, you're how much of a control freak. And me tell her say, yo, maybe she a overreact. Me do you think say I'm a nice person, you know? After me meet you at beach, I thought you were a very nice person. But after this, your daughter the right.
See, you start disrespect me there. And you
No,
want there with me
no,
daughter.
if you want,
You feel say me is a very nice person. You thought me was. So
yeah,
you no know.
I
Say
thought.
me is a nice person. Me just not nice to you and the dirty man them when she a take up. Yes.
All right, Miss Candy,
Me no want you call me daughter phone again.
all right,
And anyhow
all
she call
right.
me, I take the phone and fling in her wall. And me bite. You're too out order. And you, I go and go tell me daughter say you they look me. You,
All right, Miss Candy.
like me on your side.
Honestly,
Make she know say,
me can't
you
take the
a
stress.
dirty man. Cause you're there with me daughter and they look me too right now, me gone.
Lexi,
Yes.
um, you know, say, me and you got to break up.
What do you mean by that?
You know, say that. You know, say your mother just come down to my house and cuss me like a dog. I tell Miss, wait no man. She tell me say how much me no good for you, how much me I treat you bad and how me trick you this and that. Honestly, me can't take stress, you know. Honestly, me can't take stress. Cause your mother sound like she ready to tell be a lie about me. How much me no live know how much me a cross is. Honestly, me I got to break up. Me. No, me agree. Me understand what you say when you say she controlling, cause she controlling, but me can't take it stress. Honestly, the best thing after me I break up. Honestly, me really care about you, but I can't do it. You hear me? So, I love you, but uh, if I anything later.
You even pack up your things them already?
See them here?
Lexi, be for real.
I am being for real.
How we are be for real? You don't feel like you're overreacting?
Overreact. Me need space. Mommy too. She has stifled me.
We grew up with mommy being controlling, right? So not like that's a one issue. So yeah, tell me say yeah left because of one man.
She gone too far. She not give me and Jacob a chance.
Yeah,
She
but
pop
yeah.
up when we go out and she had a lobster and she had a this and she had a that.
Lexi, you have to understand say mommy just a try to be the best whatever she can and she understand the world more than we do. Right?
You're the strong one, you know. Zay, you're the strong one. You're the strong one where you get up and take all of mommy. In control you go and in control you come. I'm tired. I can't do it. I can't do
What
it.
exactly you can do because I know like this kind of something where you're used to. Me I try understand what you say.
It gone far now. It gone too far. Too far.
Lexi, please don't do this. Cause you go break mommy heart, you go break my heart. You're the only person I can talk to, you know.
I am really sorry. Me really sorry. This gone too far now. Me have to go find Jacob and apologize to him, make him know say me sorry. Me gone too far. I am sorry. Me can't do it.
Lexi, if you're sorry, don't do this.
Zay, me understand mommy I try to protect you, but look on this. You remember how mommy in here and she a weigh up on scale? You love cake and ice cream and mommy don't allow you to eat cake and ice cream. You have to hide. You really wanted that?
Lexi, me would want to get fat either. Maybe if mommy never did I do all of that to me, would have fat already because you actually eat a lot. You know I get it. Look how much overweight people you see out there. If them parents they stay like mommy, them would have alright now.
Maybe you not understand what me I say.
What are you saying, Lexi?
Mommy just want control with every move. We can't go out pan with one. And we are adults. We have to make mommy know say we are go X, Y, and we are go. You really wanted that?
Lexi, just don't leave. Please.
I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry.
How where you think you go?
Me I leave.
Leave to where? Where they go? Where you think they go?
Me I leave.
When I say I leave, what you mean?
Me pack my stuff them and me leaving.
Why?
You not even give me a Jacob a chance. You run him away, tell him how much we stay far from me and how much me no want him and one bag of something. Why you do it, mommy? Why you do it?
You know say, although you're 21, you don't understand life. So you really make up your mind to go away because I want man and you use my name as excuse say me this and me that. Okay. Me go and say I know me say you go nowhere. I know me say you go nowhere, right? You make up your mind. You decide to do this behind my back. So you when go move out before me come and lucky thing me come catch you. You tell me now with your dry eye, say. You go move out. You depend on your own now.
You still not give me a reason why you do why you do what you do.
Why me do what me do? What me do to you?
Why you run
If try
me,
to
Jacob?
protect you.
Protect me from what?
From crosses.
You not even know Jacob.
You mean me no know him?
You don't know him?
Me no want to know him from nowhere. All me know say, you dey choose the wrong people them in your life all the while. Yes. And me have to stand up as a mother and make you choose the right person.
So Jacob wrong.
So as something bad me dey do, what you mean if Jacob wrong?
wrong for me.
Wrong
Oh,
for
you know that.
Oh, me know that? Well, you're right. Maybe you wrong for Jacob. It's not Jacob wrong for you. But at the end of the day, you need to think about what you do before you do it all the while. Yes.
Me can't sit down no longer and listen to what you have to say because you still not give me a reason why you
What
run
you mean me
Jacob.
not give you a reason? Jacob look like somebody can take care of you. Eh? Jacob look like he can buy you Versace and Gucci. Eh? Those the Gabbana and then sitting there. Look here, if Jacob cannot buy you a Prima, you and Jacob not for there. Unless you go hide and there with Jacob behind my back. Yes.
You know what, mommy? Me and my mother and me love you. And me not gonna stay in your face and argue with you. So you know what, me just get up and leave. Me I go leave.
Just so.
Just so.
You not listen to me. You see you? You is a Gen Z Jezebel. Look on your sister, she sit down quiet and she not behave like you. You is a wicked little girl. After me suffer. Me suffer for the two of you. Zay, you can't call her back. Jesus Christ. No. You see your sister wicked? After me suffer so much we do know. Look how me mind you know me take care of you till you know big. If I some woman then run you out make you no gone for you own. Every dollar when me have, and you know me spend it on. Lord Jesus Christ. Lexi send up me pressure. Oh God, you have to go carry me to the doctor. Zay, you know me love you from my heart. Me sorry about everything. Me love you no call her back, please. Call her back. Cause me no know where she go. She can't tell me about man. And she don't know if the man can put her up there. Would I do anything for you? Then you can give me a hug.
Jacob, I want to apologize to you how my mother behave. She didn't have a right to come here and talk to you the way how she talk to you. And that is the main reason why I move out. Because me nah make my mother ruin my life. I want to fix this between me and you. I want this to work out.
Lexi, honestly, I really care about you, but if me have a fight with your mother, if you be with you, honestly, I don't know if me can do it because you moving out now, send me and you get back together now. Every time when me and you get together, she just go come find me and cuss me out. Me can't do that, me can't do that. If me have to fight with somebody, if you there with you, me can't do it.
You don't have to worry about my mother. I move out and I have no intention of going back. I'm done with my mother.
When me and you go out, she pop up. She literally have a tracking device in her phone. Honestly, me should have listened to you. She very controlling and crazy, and me can't fight with your mother. Can't do it.
You don't have to worry about my mother, Jacob.
Alright. If that's the case, you want to come moving with me?
Yeah.
Madam,
Yes, babe.
You see me I call your phone and you not answer.
No, the phone have a problem. The phone drop about 99 times from me. So sometimes it rings, sometimes it don't. Or maybe sometimes the phone upon the charger and me run at the back. That's why I don't hear it.
Me did a call if you tell her say my daughter left and gone. Yes, say me a control her life.
Which one, the little one or the big one?
A little one, she left out and gone. Me no know which part she did.
Oh,
She
what you
just
tell me,
gone.
say? And you don't have no idea where she is? None of her friend them, you not call none of her friend them and see if them she there them yard?
No. She not really just come out just saying, she tell me say me too controlling, so she pack up some of her things them and leave. And she don't even call me.
You want me to say no? Find her. Find her, Candy, find her. You don't know which part she them, me don't know which part she them, but try and find her. Inquire. Because me don't want the same thing what happened with me and you when you're this small happen between you and your daughter. You understand? Because controlling is not really it's not nice. Because look what happened between me and you. That me not say for what 20 something years. So find her. And if you want me to help you look for her, me will do it. Because I'm a grandpitney. It's my grandchild. You understand? But me really couldn't do better because that's the way my mother raised me. You understand? And me can't have you know and me raise you the same way. So it's a thing in the genes. I don't know if the Dangaree or what, but I know the genes. I don't know which one of them. But I know the genes, they say it there. So I know the genes.
Well, she teach me a lesson, you know. Me have to go look for her for sure.
Yeah, go look
She
for her.
teach me a lesson. So me can't too controlling over my kids them. Sometimes you have to make them have
Yes.
their own a time,
Yes,
their own a
a time.
space,
They don't want a space.
and their own a way.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Because if you try to control them, it not go work. They might get more, upset and they might go run away.
My mother like how you say your mother used to treat you the same way you treat me. Me have to go break this curse. I
You have
want
to break
spell.
it. It's
Yeah.
a spell. It's a spell.
Yeah, like I want training at the family for everyone we just a treat with you them kind of way.
Me couldn't go nowhere at all. My mother was so strict.
Me really when they me no know, me must say overprotective. Me did a try to control her life for true. So now me understand. Me know it too late because she gone already, but me still all look for
Find
her.
her.
Me I'll find her.
Find her.
Me I go talk to her and make she know say me sorry about everything and make she come back because me no want she leave my yard.
And
It's
as
so long like how me leave your yard.
No, 20 odd years me never see you. And God know me they miss you. As much as we have a little difference from you, me miss you. Bad because you're my only pitney. Me not nobody else. Me not a man, me not a husband. So me dey really miss you. So me don't want that to happen to you. You understand? Me don't want you go through the same thing when me go through. Because of my mom.
Anyway,
So find her.
me I look for her. That me did come to make you know say she,
Yeah, find
she
her,
just
find
she
her.
gone. You know, because she upset with me or the way how me I try to control her life. So me I try to find her and make you know
Call me and tell me what's going on.
when me find her or whatever.
Yeah,
Here?
call me, let me know.
Alright, my mother. Love you.
Love you too, darling. Take care of yourself, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm sorry for everything what you are going through right now.
Alright.
Alright.
Even mommy.
Evelyn, hi.
Evening.
Lexi. I say you take with yourself and not come back. Why you not come back?
You give a minute?
Are you home? No,
It's alright.
that's okay. You can stay. It's alright. No problem. You can stay, man. My home is your home, and your sister home. Me, your mother still, me still love you,
I love it, mommy, but the way how you make me feel uncomfortable and you make it look like you not trust me.
Lexi, me so sorry. Me don't know what happened. But it's like a family trait. And my mother me get it from. She get it from fear mother. I want training in our family, and I am so sorry say me deal with you so bad. Especially you. Me sorry, me deal with you one way like me a control your whole entirely life till you have to make up your mind and leave. Me know my fault, so me apologize to you right now. Me sorry. And you can come back home, you know?
I accept your apology, mommy. I
You
love
sure?
you too. Yeah, I love you.
Let's see. Look for me good.
Yeah, me
You can come
me
back home, you
still
know, mother.
me accept your
Me
apology,
ask her
mommy.
if you can come back
Amen.
home. Me sorry. Please,
Mommy, you don't need to cry.
come back home, Lexi.
You don't need to
Me miss you and me sorry about everything. Me sorry. Lexi, please. Anyway, you man, whatever me say to you, I am so, so sorry. Me sorry. I'm going to ask if you can forgive me. Please. Me love you.
Don't cry.
Alright. Anyway, Lexi,
Yes, mommy?
me already talked to your sister. I want me, you, and Zay go have a little chit chat. I want ice cream place, and we just have little ice cream and eat and see if we can make up it back even more better.
No problem, mommy. Just
Yes.
tell me when, and I'll be there. I love you, here.
Okay. All right. Take care of yourself, here.
Yeah, you too.
I'm beg you, please take care of my daughter. Please. Okay, girls. No, know why we get here, so right? Hmm? Okay. All right. I'm glad the whole of we can come out and enjoy ourselves as a family. You understand? I want you to know, say, all what I used to do to you and say to you, I am so sorry. I love you dearly. And the reason why I did like controlling them, because that me used to do. So controlling in our life are because I did want to see the best out of you. You understand? You know, two nice daughter I have. You know, the best daughter in the whole world, a matter of fact. Every mother, children, are for them best children. So, who know for my best children I have in my whole life. And I don't know if I go have no more, but I just wish you all the best. And I hope you forgive me for everything when I say to you and do to you. I am so sorry. And I just care out to have this ice cream with you, to make we live one happy life. And get rid of the sad life and the uncomfortableness. And me stop doing what I do, I not go do it again. All of this controlling thing is not necessary. I am so sorry. I think me did overprotective. And I know someone love me, but I love you no more. And I have to make sure say you know a girl. Me make sure so no alright and you no go pick up no crosses. That's why that true some things where happen to me in my life. I never want it to happen to you. So please me ask you one more time again if you can find one little space in your heart to forgive me.
Worry to forgive you.
Ice cream, go one side. Hug up time. Thank you, thank you, thank you. No man, it's your way I figure up, Yes, yes, yes. Love you guys.
You too, mommy.
Yes.
Alright, so you might be wondering where Stay West is located in Montego Bay. We're going to make it very easy for you. We're going to give you a little, direction on camera where you can find it. Alright? Stay West.
And video services in case your family members or friends are unable to attend your event. We can live stream it just for you. So if you're in need of a professional photo and video services, look no further. Call the number on the screen. Guess what? You can get to meet some of your favorite actors and actresses at your event. If you never knew, now you know. Pick up the phone and call us today to book your special event.
After that, no, say yes. And when you she go, me know, tracking device.
Yes.
You have to keep tab on. And then you can change. No, you know, something between the level you want to control free, I see him to start but that don't mean nothing to me. Ready now? And action.
Mama, where mean you put one control?
Checking.
Ready? Mama, where mean by you put one tracking device for Lexi?
Me need to understand this.
Well, that's yeah, man, me need to understand this.
Yeah. No money did in that pocket there?
No, hold in it.
Oh, come here, I wonder what to do with this.
Ready now?
Come.
Mommy, so what that have to do with me? Why you pull me from work for camera down here because of Lexi?
Well, it's about that.
Why me bring her down here?
Because me have to keep a track.
Oh, okay. Oh.
No matter what, me have to keep a track.
And then me tell him boy checking the vest.
Yeah, man, tell him
okay.
I have to keep a track on her. And then she asked herself, oh, you know, sir, doing so in the mommy. Ready now, Leila, sit down. Ready now, sit back like this. Can they talk and ready and walk away and action.
She's a wicked woman. Me I can't go down there right now.
You have to go get me a doctor.
Zay, you can't call her back.
Yeah, what you say?
Alright. Tell her.
Yeah, what you say?
You know, sick. Mommy, you know, sick.
Okay, me and talk. You don't know them.
You know, see, I really want control free. No, man, tell him, mommy. Alright, oh my God. Come in, Charlie.
Please don't. I'm crying my wife. You don't understand, say I protect mommy and try to protect we. Maybe she's some kind of body name. Yeah. Alright, ready.
The biggest, is she take it too far now by.
Mr. About everything me love it. Then you can't give me a hug.
When you okay,
come. More activity, see me. You know the beat? Yes, BT, come. Yeah, right there, so. Eat again. Jay. Hear me, Jay. Jesus Christ.
They don't put that in a BTS.
Don't come in a BTS.
He have to put it in the car that he do me.
Yes,
Come now. Come now. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Lexi send up my blood pressure. Jesus Christ.
Candy, where is the tip that Jesus Christ? Because it's starting up the pressure.
Yeah, come.
Yeah, man.
More some water.
Yeah, man. You know, Jamie?
He's a Gen Z Jezebel. And be careful.
Yeah, man. So you is a Gen Z Jezebel.
You ever see skinny people in our family? You look at your grandmother. Look. You know so me big. Look on my backside of my big. Me not like say like that, man. Anyhow.
Why you look
So what if you say?
Every single job you look for a woman. Anybody ever tell you like
I'm gonna go to line that. Okay.
Come on, ready again.
So who will get them information from?
Who could have asked Daddy?
Tell him, say, you know what? He's a Gen Z Jezebel. Come here, thank you, I'm moving him so.
Alright.
Yeah, man, tell him so, Candy. You know what? He's a Gen Z Jezebel, you know. Go on, when you say more. Ready now?
Where you sleep, anywhere you go and the type of man you they talk to.
Me tell you say,
Tell us, I want to control things. All right, mommy, you don't know. I want me. You don't know.
Yeah, say that. Say, me tell you say like you ain't tell me already.
Action.
me tell you say he's a control freak, you know.
My name is Patience. What is yours?
Take your mic, John.
Why? Look at brother.
Take your mic. Yeah, me's not as bad as how me look. Me's not as bad as how me look. My daughter them just overreact. You understand? I am just protective of my daughters because we live in a
Gaslight.
Come on. We live in a one dangerous place and time, and I have to be protective
Right,
of
and
them
we
because we don't have no man. Yes, we don't have no man to protect them, so we have to do it. You understand? And them don't understand this. You understand?
Alright,
So
no,
when we
yes,
go one
sir,
side,
mommy, yeah, man.
KK, I go
Me-
tell
me
him, say
take-
KK.
me take
Yeah,
care.
you also tell him, say Lexi, you know you're overreact. Your mother is such a nice woman. Why you must do that? You understand?
You're not get to know her yet.
Right now, Candy, that coffee shaking her hand.